All right, for private reasons, I am going to block out one number and the address. Let's see if you guys can see. But this is how beautiful it is. They do have two holes here included with it. So this could be up on your actual address. And this is perfect for anybody that's working in the mail services and they can't see your address is not visible enough. This or it might need an upgrade. This is a perfect thing to do. So when you order one, they personalize it and you have to include your address in there and the design that you want, and this is pretty much how you get it. So let's put it to use and see how beautiful it looks on the outside. All right, so today we're going to bring the customized signs made from Amazon. All you got to do is type in your address and they will publish beautiful signs out there, and these are made of plastic. They're durable, they're made for outdoors, they're great, easy to set up. You notice I had an existing sign, I put it over that because it actually shows the entire address in here. So anytime you're getting packages, people are getting confused where addresses are not visible enough, this is a perfect theme. Custom made signs for your home. So hope you guys enjoy the video.